Before no get Kiseva, the way the Monica analyze it, he push it. I tell you, they tell no get Monica analyze it, say, a no get mind, ye will be your Hanita. Sorry to say.
Me blue.
Enoge ke price ne enode eye ki gwan kan ora be no gie me jamara ata na gmoya na mu yo to awa be te mere gwan igun ayo ina we ave te na mu yo to hu da me no na ya mu yere odo bogbe mama we agele mi emenso diwe ni ya tie bo oyegbe ya kan ma e ma
Wa Emena wrote on it for 3 days and before this. The very day in the mini was no me guan yo no ge guan ya gbon ya for guan ya that first day ni.
yeah
E je gbe don we no ye be so am e bogbe. Because e no ge ladun mo ba o wa je ro pa en le guan yo se.
we show mama we are not no be we got mama e be wa e be
Carry the picture, go anywhere. You know will work for you.
Who like video?
Carry the picture, go anywhere. Now make me come. I come, not fake accounts. Now my real account. Carry the picture, go anywhere. No will work for you.
Na wo oni se na
mo be o got bet ana do mweme. O hana ke bog mo gyan no waro to na ana egbe do mwe you we. E le mi yare ni a we magba be commentasi. E commentasi ke ka be kola. Ihe si na je na uwe mana ru enwe ke no ma ke no we gun age ogun ariba.
Exactly.
Why you go dey insult Joe? Why call you wabowie? Why agree
No, you are free to talk.
Here give me boy ni do ta wo keke e ma understand omoga gbon ya no when iye ki ya gbon me like e
la which of ite abona no go insult
mama Joyce ya wani ya mi ko sakatri ya ni no recommend section when the tin ya sakatri ko wasi ya mama Johnny sela when iye ki ya gbon ayo eri me we ya gbon ayo we platform me we la because ovi ohani omodian wa gba o re kakabo mother sano saloba na we dori go Niger ije na me go na ma we to we ya le Libya lawa o mai we no say no saloba na bless you we start they do be canon saloba na bless you so invest your money in your children iya ki o saloba adeba we no gele ya gun ajo invest your money in your children because no am egbijima ma ya na la we bo mana do gbigbi aga nijima ya ri but o saloba e bless you when star o ma keke ni bi we ro pa asuse wa me monte ave compound o bi we yo bo kan pa wo oni efe my sister efe because we went na area we bo bona do make you go when na ro we fi moto wo kan efe what will you do where obi we na odo lawebo odo maybe when mo lawebo we gani uje ole morocco la wa do sosi do ame go kakabo do be egbo wa nu we bona odo ame mote ave compound o ma mo pa nu when we are fiesta what will you feel what will you feel omo egbe omo osaloba no go we tose we so ban egbe yen we na we ade na egbe do ku obi we na yen ateva amujuaji wa oni juaje donc mon agi joyeux especially mondion na wa gba o physically and spiritually because we can yok benine a wa gba o mondion anything by anything power we no beg go gaga ni Esther we give you your hand we ekuye o your hand wo won who the lad we ladian o ya peju won your hand because of your hand you we no dion atie sera atie no dion ro no ko ni ono na hia wa atie saloba no go we to se we say oh one we fi we ma dology no wa ruban o ya mo wa ni yakin o ya si emi no si I'm telling you the facts emi we fi o ko nu gbe wili ba ko egbe akin aga mi o no di ona yakin ye ga mi yana e wili we egbe is valid making egbeji I'm telling you the facts
na dey yo mama na wo gbagbon na okay so no ba mo play mo no ma na egbe ni forte ni
ije o mesoro ije ao wa abege me ne boy na ya je o ma e ko mo no wari ya lo averi oni ije o ma e ko mo no ije o saloba na gele bless you when we to tana u we ti happy we we
Esther bona boy je I secretary je
okay Yes,
the position of the bear, it could be.
When we not sunu, Ije, when we not sunu, Esther, all of your bag boy, boy in your life. What I went on in Nigeria because what better than boy in Yago.
The boy, the time we Yami 10,000 euro police in boy. You know, Yata, Abu Mare. Esther River, what Yami 10,000 euro for the bear Yahweh, Oseka, Esther River.
Okay. Ije, me maite beg on nona, me ma list
we border do awe Yahoo.
Okay. Ije,
10,000 euro. Hold on. A police, if they had the police, they got guale. Everyone on the Laria Wove, or in a deported bay, Nejigan. Can you yes, woman say, Mamma must have the way Yahoo. Who saw what 4 million little west of what. Una yari mune kode apo 17 no ho mami yami ya do social media we no big igo gi for us wa momo years ago we ha me we start to one omopa ami jopa no one we me obi esa go pe ja fi le lije we mi wan upopa gbon no lega mo obi esa to boy asu upopa gbon no lega mi de webo lazy youth obi o kan no say na ro wi je Mama me gbagbo. Man there we born a massive 15 16 years my less lawa.
EJ mo we go fian your wonu.
Mo we go do no dey me.
Mo we go di akewe egui. When agbona na je na enje. Onwa iya veri ya mo yo abo. You understand? Oh when no say me na dey concern na. Because Esther is a big name. Ima on a boy need to rubbish later. So Esther on we not suppose no you won't be Esther, we not suppose no you won't be right now.
As a big name. Yeah. What suppose no erati no be audio.
Esther suppose Esther mudiane mave. We no mudiano we no agbon ya mave.
Erati suppose next agbon abi no we video.
Video suppose next awu. Erati next awu no get back. A video not supposed
but of how a video a bad boy or down or as you say bad boy
only me gwan kanaje ije only me gwan kan Esther even no say no una na mu me the boy any tawo no because me we won mo o understand Esther omo pe abi omo ko na we wa find a solution jo okay we me motor have a compound we might fi motor work pa don't no can fear
omo lo ba le gbe ko lo fi motor be
Ije, ayoni ya mo wa we when the boy na do to taban, I don't know how we boni make it goni. I sure Esther will eat from that money too. Esther ma go to vien jaou no je. Esther ma go vien jaou no. Ma suppose no
yaou no na we no rie webo. E pon e we yaou no na we no rie webo. But ma go de gbe we webo me ga won ma be family. Anako
Esther mu jana we jaou. Esther mu jana we mani we jaou. Esther mu jana we mani jaou spiritually.
Anytime I was story of man, anytime I was story of man, guy, of your team, if no guy unique, and I'm more webo, and I'm more UK. But UK, Nigeria, not the bay away, but you're not more Joa. I don't know if you understand that the bay, you know, one of the bay away, but you're not more Joa. So, because
Esther, you pani awa
give
boy na say destiny bagwa say I ma wonu say I no ile but a boy na do lagbon you physically na because say no ma made we gbe boy na wo wa wenu boni ya do senu seni hien ya for under 1 year ale prodigal son na we wa fi we o ma kan we na una he boy na fo Osalobo no go say under 1 year boy na hien the property we anyway you was scatter. I'm telling you, any otion no I'm telling you the facts now. Esther of your only when I realize no anything no spiritually no that be realize webo. Why go mighty the school? Or mighty
go. I'll go my sack badana mama blue.
Mr. Brown, wa ku yo pere un down so so mo ji bien as
hold on, let me say, yeah, my wife, my last social media good there. God forbid. Ouais, ma wo imo la social media ogun ogbe you eh. Ogun ogbe ragbe you eh. Gbe comment section. Ya ka ebe no jeje so we mi ma wo ime a. Amen. We ma wo ime lati a never. Ma be no bi oga me saga mo no gwan ebe obi me. We mi ma wo mo. Ya go ime no ro no dion. E jemli ya ga da ko eh. Ya ge no respect ya mi se me ya e kwara. Ni ma wo ime here we live video ma ko. I will cancel everything like social media re. Wa sun ogun ogbera gbeju omo loji bien azin ogun ogbo ka gbewe gbe mi ya fe no ro akara ivie ko mi ya fe no ivie ko ni wa ya se fa wa ore camp do agun ya wo mai ko ni na ne disonti wa sun ogun a full of 40 say full forever ogun ogbera gbeju for my care wa sun ogun omi un dan wa gbe omo gbe igo
Ona we vie bola wa.
Ro ki ani ya fe o kan se fa yeru ego na luje na. Èmi ya fẹ́ nọ̀rọ̀ wẹ̀ kí anú kí n ṣe fa wà á bí ẹwọ kán àbí ẹwọ sí ọ̀gá hu yọrù ẹ̀ lọ́dún tó tánà wà á sún hù orí òun jà wẹ́mẹ̀ á gbà lọ́wọ́ náà gbà lẹ́kùn mọ́ àrí ògbà wà á gbẹ o ìkà pé yà ìzẹ̀ta bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ìzẹ̀ta kúwẹ́kẹ̀ bá gbọ́ wà á sún hù kúwẹ́kẹ̀ bá gbọ́ wà á sún hù ní àmọ́ ìyàrí àbá wà mánà títà wà mánà rẹ̀ pàmò àrí mọ́ ìyàrí à.
Moria lao.
Imwelia. Then we you so one body na opa ma ya fe you wa gbe o agbon. Ogun ogbera gbe you ohun dan. E block we o run receive e block yen wu gba.
Yan we no we Mr. Brian.
Yen ge gu agbe to gbo gbele si. Ika pe gu agbe to gbele si. Ika pe block we.
Esther, it matter where you na yan ore gbore. Yan gbore gbagbo yan pe Esther. Beni menje na me matter we be me wa be perfect. I mean mo no perfect. Okparu go mo very oni wa je.
We ya yo mi men do ball at the end do la do ta mo wa. Wa gbe won bo. Ti e board go net e bo me. Iri la be ma ya no e wo pa. Di yen gele no. Je ti e me. Gbe ma mi ori me analyze na all that time analyze. Ma analyze wa ya fe ni awo bi egbin na social media analyze. We ma mi me na. Je ti e me gele love o ti e me omo. Yo mo je no bi o me do na we no. Wa su. So for information we me. Je ti we ma won mo na o me. We pa me no be bi o bi go na ti ma bi agogo. Nya we na ti ro go ma ti wu ka ti ri. Ya mati omi we na bi me mi ati na o ma ko Esther mati we na ogo oti. Oba ko e ogo oti. Fa gun abi je me.
For Esther ovi we ni gba oge say because we beg na you are not the only one in this battle. Maybe you want no meko we na o no mo monari ayowo. So we don't say Nigeria anyway no hiana de gbe make sure we physically and spiritually win anya no de gbe pa in Nigeria re. If not na do like gangi because all like gangi ban egbo ye de ohun ya we neglect e more than o si Morocco ohun na no me very growth o ba no get would say no go we would say to so but egbe yen ya mo ladi. Yen egbe hin ati e we ba amujueji yen we moye man. I'm telling you again what pa confuse you we neglect e more than o hwefua. I mean, one all the so no wo wa no here worst is all where Esther na. Omo bia no omo ko na wa e fo awe ni na Ono se ni je ki gele ya gwanjo gele love and number 2 la wo Esther la wo yo sa obo yan we.
Mama la mi no wota je. De ni ye ki ya gwan yo o ka we ta si.
Okay, ye ki tai we omo exactly the way me wa ya gwan na no. Wo omo bia wa na nya fo awe ri oni. Mother stand make be any that tension than a miku. A miku easily get it, but it make be can get it period on your mother easily make be, especially no wa roe do anina. Understand because again I deal with Esther, deal with Esther. Yeah, be Esther dezine. Yeah, over here na can face spiritually. So Esther la wo we well la ni manje wo we especially manani be le money wine. When ni manje wo we na kaladian. Anobatu no ya movie ohana la din social media ima love at all social media ni no na mo la din ya we fun wo na gbe u fe ko we do to atikegbe yon we tikegbe we ya be mi no revo wo ri revo wo sunu davi ohana na because a boy na me ma bega ego eri oka wa nyi de eri oka nyi ma so we age we ponu we gie we gie we ya bojo un wo ire ne me hu we have bojo un anything we no we not do nothing na have yan ka target oni na we defoawo a boy na no ye na go sikpa lo na no mama na we can present a presenter a presenter e case no la social media yan gunji en we do atie bonia oni o sikpa lo na we stand no diona en we do atie bonia ihu we yan hin o keru da we na ya afio zangi joue emi no la dans social media everybody must to gunjo oni me wa bere mata na we ni ala wo ni ara pe gije ki ni ara itawe ri ye ki wo no na ye ki me man bere ni ye ki we mana cause mo
pia you know see say that don't bring your papa picture come outside or more than
this is that don't bring your papa picture come outside just all the presenter I dey think it's just good as they bring the papa me at least me Esther still rest me dey insult the papa before e be like lizard adama lizard
we run that video wa america
so lawo next time
yes we dey hear you mom
next time me I get your next time
la o don dey blogger me afiri yan gia se o no see e kiri yari ya so you get say favor money
see you this your own way you dey talk so your own dey smell for inside house like dead body
you get so worry Monica o ya me na dan we ask we ni ji ma ya gun ayo o ma de yo say understand why ni mege wo ivanige ni blogger mama ni omo mo bo giare de mi omo mananya orema omo ke be do mu picture yo na mu picture ilogie ona mu picture dami yo luwako because e sta Ghana no taba we Monica o Monica se o tell no bun e sta Ghana do ha vele because ni me watch ori pe kan wa ya fe e bono we start here we gbedu ari repeat of se ya gbogbo ma make sense e yan analyze me start ni e we start o ye tun ka my wo owe si like all na ori like ori pe kan we no ori pe kan even Frank only Monica ofushi elele no we starter we no we start tie boni ni yan ni o tie bona video wan e di wan ya kan di wan edide so we o kan kiri 24 years go wan no gbera 40 years ago an ereje unu pe saye 43 abi 44 unu Frank je egbe Frank ko di star ereje evani mena go Monica go e dey support the live video no wetin ana no when the Monica who to support you no ma emi ya not 70% or ya support a boy ni in the Monica ta live video so ya wa gaga here even keep on and be down your sinner ma understand you to ya support oladukun bana dey ti to we bana we mama ma understand dey ni ana fi pege obi ege ladukun won ege ma tata oti an ki ti America na ron bi gbe yin ave yen me gwa papa on ya like on ni papa I like you no go papa you I go tell you so man ta oya gbale man and they no dey reply any egbe baba dey smile dey reply Monica no anytime na ita kan ina na go ko ni go iyan wa block iyan love Esther wa block e wa egbe yo dey reply iyan man understand e wa na mi ya keria ona na likeness wa kan watch a video wa gare likeness e worry favor wa dey worry wa gare matani na me we maybe we judge we in the court e court akin judge over here ma do we no e law kin alele abi eri ono e judge je kan on le law e kan like come na ayata tabe noje no see argument na se wana baba na e tonje because you pa àwọn no la lazy boy ni the well done job le o ye me right no do ya ìyàwó e Monica ta na oga o yin no we yin mi an o yin ikwe so yin give that power ni mege Italia
me ma obi ye kita we na do ne Monica that is ne boy na do yin ije we.
Owo mi no, ya watch a video of women na, ya go. Make le present ake agbon, watch a video.
Now you can't love Esther Passana. Now you love her. Me, you carry everything together. Put on for your head. Go the hawk like gala.
Don't you reply a comment section like Ragman?
Man, not to reply them again. Sunday bus station. Since this year, so don't know where to be room. So don't know where to be AC. Forget about them.
Wala wo ke wani gun ayo na ga ye ke wo ya support Buhari. Wala o. Ekebe ogun wa ya support mo no wi waru wa. Ono so na dosulu da wa ko wa ti go because wa support ma be ni. Oh, one also we were that why it is so large here. Please, nobody no can support again. Now we are not happy with that boy. No.
Mama, one on social media now. One of our one on one in Nebby, yeah, support it. I'm on your social media.
Only mommy me atem okpa o dem ne Esther keke no nemo no mai una because mama ta we Esther doloweji wona no mo dem next time we be vie na no keke no una because the last time I check a sacrifice next time making the mo ya no bie wo do ni okay do mi aladian ne kere. O mama love ovie o mu ko relazo ya mu ari webu o mu na be gbe adi owa de e boy na get choose no ga vagabundo ije be right no ya deny access of me o me right no na so when you we carry ma fi moto o ma mi why no ma se we no di moto we ya we no because me wan yesu we no we no
no we na
we no learning hard work me wan no so
if we jet Ije when you na je show we boy ni epin o kwa ni moto no fi
epin we ma ve o epin and gele matamu
ya
omo ke vagabundo jo ije okay ije gwala ta kwa mo mi de mistake gwala dia di na next agbegbe wa ni ake ewo bie ake ewo omo na nyi obo
omo nya awuna o
esa bo yen magi setting o se ya tuladian ni eze owu gbe ni o je to owu ban na e no gbe e bo na ti gbe jo papa e no gbe.
She do well when she for come for herself. She do well now.
Somebody me la de to ma tuladian e we bo na me character.
Small boy the
mama dey borrow money o. If they borrow people,
if they borrow money, the mama don't pay debt.
Tire.
I said na small boy Pella yesterday 21 years boy they married.
Now married yesterday if you see Pella
well. If they find mama make up that motor for her.
You see Pella
when you swear no mo bia mo jon ya poko e ya ozo ne gbia.
E wa no time we kinu dona ema ori muye ne mi arovi. Usaka me no mama. Okay, no ichukwe no piwa apology when ni son accepted by me. Yirie. O ti ujuku ya mo biewe. Imamu we na se mamu we no so po me ni juwe no be piwe no be you gun wo.
Imama said they try. You know so this Mommy, you see all these people when they pamper so if they grow, they come marry tomorrow. The mother will see the papa children.
Our papa ya man. Here do kion mozu at the end of the day.
Yeah, so if mama na don't old now, God don't call her now. He all real yeah because they know work.
When I'm your time with Pella, you to a Pella no mad days, could then I move a Pella mad days, could you not do it? It's so na voué Pella and Lake Bay.
Oma bege marriage Pella. O mi je Pella wi je Pella ri jopo ni Pella.
Oma bere marriage pela.
You know see motor wey Bella buy for your mama.
Oh,
You know
iji
see
pela
shop
mi
wey
pela
open
rijo
for your
poli
mama.
pela.
They wait for your
I beg you,
mama.
make they forget that you almost second.
Hello, sister, not
Don't know that she have no to jam me.
Ije pela of this of a lady or son. Ikna boya pa, every no sa boya, you know sa boya je no pa. E pela ka kebe wa gunya ti e brother Mike de no ti e brother Mike married. So agboya pa my dear sister.
No, we dey give am example.
Brother no na e ma lady or so be don
Example, make go dey do bad thing, make take that money.
Area wa se iye pela ma o ma we mi ne lady or so ge ewu.
Yes. One, no ya le nwa. Eki na where be mommy's boy na is too much. Eki je ma di moto mu me. Yikia amana wona.
Mama, we dey give example.
Don't
We
wait
dey
ya.
use Bella
when the David when on fighting egbe e sa do mi alaja say you ije
when
on fighting egbe when they ga go deep in here
so na Nigeria they call they disturb the mama they call they bring the mama come outside because say the mama don't get investment unu ye me na ye we je mo pe efra
wo de no ewe woni ye gi we wa mi me na wa la wo be pepere media.
You dey even dey talk. I know you say never start o. I know you say never start.
Eh ya mo ati street
na ni jeje to na ri ọmọ náà lè gbé bo na wo wọn lè gbé bo na tẹ̀mí south ore e command wọn we
exactly eriose
ọmọ náà lè gbé bo no to ore
ya wa eju e na igbe awo na ya lo be gege na Sunday
sa ba me me la o e ma mo ta ati street o we
na me na ta wala wo na ta ko pa wala
ata my sister wala we go na block ni e bi ma bi ta kan no bi la ja na ja ka bi ta no ri ma bi la ja wa ko igbu ba we meten o si so ri o go sta e ran boki na ja ke gbo bi ma bi la ja wa ko a bi ta
Na so no.
e ki na ya po fi no bi o bi ma sa kan yo gwa but o mari ma la ja na be la ja na be ta social media no e ki le sa wo bi e ari e ba no e bag wa support e because he aje ata kon na wa ba e bag o e sa support o bi ona do ro bi presenter. What are you saying?
As they do saga reach for this TikTok and Facebook, they never bring it papa come outside once. Now this matter bring it papa come outside. If you not see the talk, una they talk well now. Ouch.
Esa do agbe be won no ogun. There tani support o bi e. When you go na me account be ni ana na. Areba. When na dey start iri e lagwa. On ti ori egbe lagwa. Mo ri ela dia bi mo bo no do te bo ni je. For 3 days I will tell you presenter. You have to when my gwan 1 week my ya ta do wa my
Mommy Sonia, wait till I fed up for the first time say, may you beg this boy, may no come outside again. May this boy just keep mute, may no come outside again. If this boy come outside again, may they no. Oh God. This boy already. Now very young boy. When be say still dey, he career still dey start small. May no just use the hand to spoil him. Now very young boy. May him now no talk again. May no even reply no again. May let her do what he want to. May everybody rest.
Why ya gwa si ba bia di body no yin ye commit man the boy we on na ro ye gbeda mo pa. Iwe na le na bana do yin ya. Ina mi we la pa no die. Mama Yore.
Mama, oh, you may send a request now because me like you want to go see I go pop by him na go yata.
The saga stop.
We no do yin je ni yin agbon ya fefe yen gi jomo we romo wa hin wa egu yen we action was very wrong. Or see na agbon ya na agbon. Don't mo pa no hin ladian do gbera wi je because be careful and he expect other people to support him. Or when to support him. Ewo he ani ladian. So did you not expect everybody ni ado yin sort je ni ado gbije no wi okana? Ah? O ma no paro no hin ado gbije ne Davidi. Sunu anybody no ladian no do tag where we get tell boy na o ma ni o ma da no support a boy na no de gbe ya agbije. Truth be told, e matter ma when I yeta I fire of your can imagine of that here bonnet. Nobody should lay insult on him. We were Emma, Egelema,
Yes, exactly.
Emma, why tie bonnet? Then ya wag Benny, so that on more of the row one of the bija, or the bija, or the young man, where Martin have a lad, where Iriago, which is wrong, which is, and then you is very wrong. Agbonya ladia naba wa like je say wa ma like je because we ga like je wa support of your kana for insulting her mother then no ko ni success ya kokian ana mu we ade we bo na de gbe gbe ade ogwa we tu le career wule li so ayiku wu Jesu ku wu si hua wu wina wu ela video yan pawe una na be go yesterday na fi ogelebe la video must of me viewers of me supporters no we constitute a nuisance le la be wo kian wa we na do pe bonere fine. They no lad apologize. They no apologize. Ni jo apologize. Ne wo ya fe because ekwa agbon ya fe or ya ajemini. Don't man never mono we can table na no ga go yi. Of you we are shouting. When me man na we marry digwe wo wa 13 years or wari digwe. If you know we church ona lelo ni esi mi gbe ni we pastor preach or wari digwe when me mana. Or read digwe wo wa. Then who were supporting of you where or we were when we down over who were area they were me no dog be jerry be careful wa go gocho wa ma like je wa gatemata so that a more here the yan bege e dove o hagi iji agun iyen ihunwa iyen ma hunwa e you we all ladian do gbin mi the public when ladian do reply you how dare you don't want to know go of yes one year go yi ama wo do go yogo ma ve o do go yogo ma ve wa ga teme be no je be na go vi o kana gu ara igwegu ne be ni elajan do apologize ni je ni o apologize ni step father o apologize ni wa ya egu
the time when they say born you it was not maybe your parents the no the way they go put animal so in can dance like this can dance like this is one of go about
to wa ho
we don Larry
Amu me go do go for no.
e na wa abio e bro so no di
e mo won ladu wo request na mo ladu kan mo won ladu
Mommy la mogwo.
o bo mi e request na me gwa invite ma voa o
Então ele é claro totoma.
request na mo re o me mo ladu wo request me gwa invite ma o ya wa be request ge na wa request mo re e ga no o bi Instagram na to wa ho wa ja pe me wa popa na o
the time when they say born you it was not maybe your parents it was not maybe your mama and your papa the time when they also settle down born you they all go market they all go buy small goods you know that small good now other coffee all those I think for the other small good now they'll go buy and put for compound it go dey run up and down dey chop grass with the chop grass if better pass wey dey also born you your country you reach like this then you turn to disappointment for your generation ogunamoro what I done the background no we kita mo biokpa come on
Now, wow.
wa mi
Irritate me.
You know if you share your dog, bro. You know if you share your dog. That idiot where he born in bed for you. He born in bed for you. You know who rich will say he born in bed for you. He go see the get pride on top. The in bed that we born for you. Is that not a shame? How be shame be that one?
Oh, well, I will logi.
They go put am in my chest.
Imagine.
Can they dance like this? Can they dance like this?
Oh, so we are imbecile.
Video na la mama be here.
Support na mo sakakia.
Hold on, never ba. Hold on, le jele mo yi. You can look me.
You were bros, eh? Enogi. The time when they say born you, it doesn't let me be your parents. It doesn't let me be your mama, your papa. The time when they always settle down born you, eh? They all go market. They all go buy small goats. You know that small goat now? Or that puppy. All those, I say puppy, all that small goat now. They'll go buy and put for compound. It go they run up and down, they chop grass. Go they chop grass. If the better pass where they also born in your country like this, then you turn to disappointment for you and your generation. What have done the background? Come on. You not even share your dog, bro. You not share your dog. That idiot who is born in bed for you. He born in bed for you. You know who rich will say he born in bed for you. You see the get pride on top.
Erika na 500 Igualera. Erika na 500 Igualera. Erika na
Egbe no ge washa.
Omo we na kukwa na hina. Omo we na kukwa.
This one na the second video. Even the first video where you saw Tenoge say they leave women to talk for Europe. This one na the second video. Abi una dey hear the boy so abi?
Omo no mighty respect. Omo respect je omo do no we do omo we respect yan.
Well, okay. Ona imi ya do imi ase. Ona imi ya no do imi ase.
Ona imi ya no ya
Ibi agbo. Di tutanye mata. Wa mi mata wa
Ya say you say.
Ona imi ya no do imi ase.
Insult your mama.
Ona imi ya agbo wa to tanya mata. E video na ni ya, ni u na ni ya. E ba me bege video na ni.
E wa ka ya watch ene mama.
Mudia ni gwa. Mudia, mata listen. No see any na tare re ogbo mudia no the sense where. Oge no ge ka we ta si we. No feel no ge. No na ka go the first video. Ina we o makeke. And oge no we ya go don prince gwen na wo makeke. Na we bet no na we area apology we ye ma accept. Na one makeke not to we ye ma accept apology. Oni emi kata sin na naga igwe ohiamegui oni apart. But this second video ne the guy now. Oge no ge no wani o makeke and the Laura abiye no gugwa o makeke but oga wo kan ni ebi no keke no run da wo kan ni we tie bone no soy. Onye platform ibania boga atie no yan. So you can't tie bone no Obi okana we tie bone ene ge kan le gbe but oge no ge wi ni no finu ge o makeke no woni but oga no gwa ro wo kan ni o kan ni yari ujine no soy so we okana we right no ya insult even no kon. So if you no uni no kosa ne no ge oge no ge wi ni o makeke at all. E va ni o wa fuck up woni. But I will any oxygen or we are here, man. In Laura Gina. You understand?
Hello, well done. Why you fair mute? Why you mute? Madam, yo.
When they call me over, I'll go back. Yesterday they call you. You know, so you never born. I will tell you the truth. This life is the one for this way. I don't give a fuck about anybody. That's one thing about me. I don't give a fuck about anybody. You never born her. Adadila. So you don't know the pain, the way it be to carry to bear pikin. You know, agegiomo, you will not know the pain where it be to bear pikin to born, to take care of pikin. They don't come outside because they talk. Not so you supposed to respect yourself, madam. You never hold this. Yeah. I'm not when I do the drug, I'm not even quitting say for this stuff so maybe drug has to carry on. But I said I can't remember as young as we really carry this thing. Let's see the difference. And one of that guy that they call Oga shut up please. Say I know you speaking matter mock anybody. I go mock you.
Okay.
I go mock her. I don't give a fuck. What is the talk? Any opportunity when I get to drag you, I will drag you. No mock out.
Deep Pinky won't not dey support. He say he no give a fuck about anybody. He say he go do anything. He no give a fuck about
I don't
anybody.
hear her. Oh, wow.
Yeah, player. Big play can well. Okay.
Mama,
My player.
If you are going ayo, I don't give F.
Place where I know say, I'll forfeit a drag you, not forfeit drag you.
Okay.
But you know whether your mama don't feel you for life or not.
Your mother fail you.
That video feel you.
Hey, you're not going to comment here, but your mother fail you.
Well, the matter is moving for this place. I see one tab,
A priest or good one.
someone blew this thing.
A priest or good one.
TikTok.
Okay.
Only what they say that they call her. I don't know how to move they say that they call her. Someone stuff like that. They TikTok. So we need full set for TikTok. This one I would man. It be a beer and everything. Old man, we go advance. Bro. I be shame, man. I be shame for most of them. I be shame for most of them. You know the way they. You know the. No, share. No, call you the way they. You know the way small people they short for TikTok because of gift, bro. You are ashamed. Lumba, that boy that they call Lumba. That boy that they call Lumba for TikTok. I see the way you know we are go here. That boy humiliated you. When you are Louis, you say the way you say the leak married women to
Jesus.
but the way you say the sleep with married women, they go for Europe. You not talk,
A boy now, oh, but I bay.
See wetin small pikin dey talk.
Imagine. You just
Where we no work enter. See wetin small pikin dey talk. Una dey here dey say this one that one.
Saga continue. Saga continue. EJ. The man and it is not there.
Igbomo be na ba ya po de. Omo ne dede ona gbin egun ba ya po igbomo be na o de. Ona ari de. Ona na we go po de wa ga po de. Ovie fiere. Ona ari de.
Where to do apologize ni ju e wa ro vi e wo no gu e gbe bu ma na ro.
We go peru na wa lati, ona to ro bi. Wo ba gripa, ona to ro bi yan. Can you imagine? Nu go gbibere yo go ri egbo lati yan. Nu ya se to nu ya yi ni ju e wo wa. We nu to yi ni e wo, nu ya yi ni e wo, wo e ko la wa. Eri yo je anything e ma ni ke gita because wo ri egbo lati yan. Una do to arove yo wo ba rove agripa. Kwa go na bo na ode ona. Ona ri de ona.
na my mouth for here now. Not be waiting you back tell us for TikTok like. You say make you stay clear for married women, no life, make your life for straight. Because your life be now, your life don't bend. Yeah. That's what your life be. You say make you stay away from married women, make you know they leave married women to say again, brother. Make your life for straight. Small boy, like give you that advice. To know how shameful your life has become. Niggas, some clowns wey dey put their self up and down for media. Happiness. Who wey na get? Who
Iwa dame happiness owa gwa. Ogwa vile diwa ya gwa no ve dorovie na. Happiness gele gwa na baba. O gele gwa no ve dorovie na. Siswe.
Start to come and say all those rubbish for mama application. You will able to get believe for you. I see you that day for my late uncle burial. May so rest in peace. Where ki bata no file mumu yo we.
Agaga.
I bata ni agbogbo ene tell me this your sir.
Saloboa.
And look happiness. I say happiness be this. Don't they see for media. When I was how do I do as well as you do I feel it how do I tell the rubbish. If this one are there laughing man. Wow. Just come and say that. Who give you that right? You want to talk that one word. You say na so legendary na so blah blah.
Bragio. A boy na garovie no gi garovia ya marongi na. Ijo rovio makana ropana. A boy na garovie no gi rovie e tio economy story. Ijo te rovie. Ime no wa kan ogugwa na. Wa ga onu wa agwa ge nani ya na
Don't sister.
Mama, where's the drum
Ozo. Ike mo vere. Wa si anima of your man na de gbe baluwa yi na. Si anima. Inwinere ma wa like ko to wa ade. Ime gbalegbo yi won wa na. Wa si wa wanyo. Wa ri odo. Si anima. Ogo mi abela den wa bita. Egbewu e ma teme. Si so go me egbewu agwe me. Ma ri like inwinere. Ebe bon wa be do tie se ma itu wu. Ma so wu ne ma like bo wa ri yo be. Wa ri yo be teme gbugbo agwo gba ladun wa lo contribute. Wa si ma abi yo be ro ni na teme ya. Si ma me muna. Na this Sunday. O te say 8 o'clock ya ku ni ma ya be no me muna ba ko. Abi ro no ata mi ma o bewe ma hin. Ma won do no responsible. O abolo egbo. Aṣawo yan lo awe ronu ati ma ya ni ma continue ani ma pe gan ti ta lo teme mo egbuwa be na ni mo ime la dukun mo egbuwa wa ti change ni medoro be yesta wa ze wu mi ane di ti ebo ne ya ye bo ude ki je ke ya e ton gbe ni bagwa Juliano ile bagwa re na wa mess up e mi no du wa ni dori ene so possible ga igwe ni are 50-50 or 40-40. He come Kenya fair. Then we're not quite here 2 years ago. We're not quite here. Even Anja my own. Argument here, okay. But the baby of Yaron. It's a lot.
Nothing on no try, not where Egypt here born now. Where attack and most people not do away. No with my whereas ni ma me wo wa.
Not away. Modern. Ni ma we ma me no ho iwo wa. Me ma do tell ma we na. So no roe ma ata. Na ni tafia mu ye godu na. Phone.
Tafia ma yaje wan.
Go metere. Am phone ogara leave a message just go me aye. O si ma do tafia aye. Tafia progressive ni oye. Ya deliver message ni gbo wodo. O me phone na that do me phone oge me le gbo na wo. Oge mo na re abi wan na ana ju ye gwa. Gbo mete ya leave a message odo. Ti e bo de mama blow legbo. Ati ta lo. Wa bo fian. Na enyan we ro na ipiki say to the smell. Abi ro kata kian. Ni pe kian wa bi tu wa gun ayo. Enwon ima ti Tafia malaka egbe ni gbe go be to re wo rototo.
Mama, pe kian.
Play on the go.
Me like Tafia gbe, you no like Tafia, you no like Iruwa. O yelu kokomore mama na we ya say 1 week. Umado ladu go na yelu kokomo. Who ga contribute here? Who contribute here? Na ke well ye boy ro 10 years old. Who man contribute here? So na ba wo magbe. Eni ma ari ebe na kina. Na na this something e wo put ma je church. Yan te depressed ke no re gan ke yan gogo sina. Ipeje ma o je gbo yo. Ti ta lo temi. Akwe wa be gbi you la jan igwa la ro ma be analyze you. Wa be respect ni you. Ma be analyze you. Wa be di moto pela ma be analyze si no dey adero we no ma. Gbo wa gbo me social media we no maro ne maro. Bo enu ki an to boy adeveki. Di mi no je we.
I will ask you one question. Is you well? How is you well, your mama will born you. How did you well?
No get if pe ge na no ke we social media why me no get e born je. Number 1 thing no get value just e here. Then now no get yon ja no erudi je o gbera no na no dey mind de mare. No get mind de family re inside. Ni ari obo kan je. When I'm here you turn am mu o ka you for example. Ya ka ma we no get accuse je. O ma tie bono ko ni je. Wa ari obo kan already no yawo. Obi estama we boy. I have a take ye boy ni sakai. Saga na saka we me no get e bono je there. We me wa. But ye bono wu wa pe kan je. Already no ya gbala we so wa. E we pon ga ni. Wa he to one. Why you me 20 every time, please. Oga no giro egbe. Ogi ma yaro egbe one of the comment na. Wala o ene ne me sa ya ton so. Later judge me say me sa na get me yana. I hate to no na egbe ni very dark man. O wa me we man na ge no me beru kai wata we support it ala no di. Very dark man me say me gbe no go. How Tala is not coming back to Nigeria because where if man that is life on the social media. On the social media, your mighty grass is there. The money why I ain't going to money give your buzzer more, you might cannot have any. I might drop you a very dark man reply where Tala is not coming to Nigeria. Or I might do rape paper. That's all social media. No like work and normally like work day over here. Wow.
Who know your mama for this thing? Or who's your boy? Or who's you?
Yeah, analyze what my love. O we you no ka ni iye no ge rent ye but o ma ri e lati an gbe o ni ya ma so we iye no ge rent ye yeah abo kan pa kan mo wa la ni
Be happiness or happiness.
To everybody a happiness ma be gbe ye lati an my lovely brother go an ke de be pe an ke de ge the happiness na do wo am I dey go la gwade iya invite with the we go go an na dey be ya ni de amari egwe but ijere rent what to my roving ya do money add your money and the happiness you talk and the well talk ma choose the happiness I choose well because when you bono you be doni ule ni you pe ma uwe ban le ja iwe the only thing no go bo egbo emo e blue ude se uti program monoko se uti obo no beru gwe de se uti program monoko uri you obo but no ade no ko okwo ni dogun obe godfather iwo se ya re fo happy odogun a benu ya de 70 pro man na mo ni go de 70 pro man ni go lelu ekita ewe bore 4 million we use almost nearly ya de 70 pro man they contribute to what they biju we omo no ko ko obi je ko ko obira modan enu era ma ewu ya go pano de era gi abi your hospital no ya to ro be Senegal ona amera a documented property woje edera apa gbogbo mi ana igbe hospital re e mo bo be Senegal e na be Nigeria iya mi je ya to ra hospital we property be document aji ogwa era ma o ma ogbe wa re gbe ni ra nije o wa pa hospital o send the document in all the characters wa we ra gbe ke do mo no gwa mo gun yo ka wu era ni uni o wo ka o ta hospital ni apa we we mi so o discharge we o gwa do wu well era uni My dear brother, in any level, you may have no go egbon, ma say class yan. E no give a pack him or the musician in that pagbe. Bro, no name musician, I'm your ya ginya ya ne fe ni page ya item we boy ni na mate ka yin wan on that page no gine ana do ayin we boy ni this party where you biju where the only party no joy mu na ne o yin na ne egun eta fo en o yin na ne step father mu na a go be ya mu na be lodon o de be pa the step father ma we o mi do pa we mi ro ibi le step father ni gina o be do ma we when yamia rabi your car fivie why me and the whole story from one waka kina atabi noje yes in everything on mona your kpare anybody no go be social media is zero okay ya bu yo lawa the you la social media do wa do yin anu ti e bona o ma obi mo pa wa ti won gan obi mo pa kan wa ti won gan and then I'm up na yan wetu we onele ge na we do lady ju agun na ori ki alele ma o ama gbe to soko iju ore mi ya iju ore bed o ge na mu na lady je yan wo gi won ni so ni set o ye le go father ya ge ama le ki alele iju ore mi ya o ma e to soko de we afa ami vie sta ni ka rush le li yan o wewo me ma je sikila re ni family eh ya oniya na rodu kuno ya analyze we no say ma oni ya analyze we who repent he analyze this you any by corner wrong agbo mo bon abogbe you aje we first in onu pon nojo awe video na we ata video pa no the favorite cloth ije ma be the first video efia the favorite cloth e do pa we ya obe ye ma me ono na be different we pe na no be mo you different na you ready different e do pa ye ma be okay, so we're not about we just bring me like my God bring me like that. But only 12. Oh, we love you. I'm coming to Germany 2 months coming. I'm coming to Spain 2 months coming. Okay, so what more not the important. Oh, yeah, the barrel and then the school the phone we go wa be gbin. And the barrel go wa ti gbin. The phone we are pressing we boy. Oh, what the over spell enu. Ah, boy ya mo school kana. Ah, do wo ya ba ni wa ya yin na me primary 6 or obu se wo. O ma ye ti la janu do gun wa. Rubbish.
What you will not do your mama? Stupid. Come and see you. What you want to? If you say your mama not lazy, say your mama not, you know, get the mindset of. If you say your mama not get the mindset of an illiterate, maybe you foresee the year your mama name for Benin today. Yes. For the year mama name for Benin today. Now I tell you, how many years did you say I did? All those legends people, so what you say they compare me? How many years did you say they facing on me? All those legend children. Even some of their mama they drag age, but my mom is already a legend at this age.
Allow me a fella. E dey fella ni ya o ati tomorrow you say papa na legend, you man legend tomorrow. Bege. E wa àwọn alagbo na yi bi e ka ge na do amu ije yo. O ma te legend yin yen to bi. We mi o tell we the secretary here. Enwe no je. Agun yen go na yi ye we mama na legend. E bi e ka ya ge o me eji we no je. He can never learn at all. Anyway, fella be so kana no pa. My father na legend. You go think go so kana.
Mama Blue, you are very funny.
Eriya me we mama pana. Amata we back in era where era
Oh my God.
Oh
my goodness.
We don't have Eriya Bono Asian legend. Usaka Moria.
Oyoye bo ya ije iragbon na. Ya ge di e Beyonce bi e ya fo gbawe. Ya go bi Beyonce na gbe ni. Je ke no wi na je boy. A musician, a star. Iye Selena audion. Why go when no jedi me hiata wa kan be gun wa ti on mute ihia because wa gbon kan view the view no view wo bopa me kan ta
Mama Blue. Mama Blue, wabo here. You know, the boy is very, very mind. Anyway, I will not say it's a DMY or whatever it is. The boy, or even a lack of home bringing. Our lack of home bringing. Because when you can't do something, but the man can't the video not make, so I wasn't able to say a thing. Whatever they were going, but the video was so rough and it went too far. It went too far. Even let's call out of a Nogie, maybe we don't even know a Nogie, we don't know him. Even the age gap, he will have at least still respect the age gap. You know Nogie, he wake now. Moreover, can you just understand? I'm not surprised anyway. Who is smart? So I'm not surprised because on IT insulted stepfather, on IT insulted stepfather or insulted the mother. I am not surprised because what is stepfather? He don't even know the meaning of that. The stepfather represents the father. If he doesn't know, let him know. The stepfather, only man no marry here representing the father. That is a stepfather. Is his father biologically is not his father. Presently, as far as he's married, the mother is the stepfather. He has to pay the respect to the stepfather. But you beg a he's just so he's a tyrant. He's so rude, and he's not encouraging at all. And let me come here. If you know what is legends, or I am not a legend. Legends. We have living legends and we have unliving legends. Living legend which award ni yemu because me I don't I don't even know. The award in yemu they can represent around the world. The name award in and all of that. I want to know the legend. So I don't know what it called legend. Oh yeah, I don't know. Oh man. Tell me, yeah, you are proud with your mom's success when you're supposed to be talking about your success. I mean, man, no masse, no who say, yeah, near Maria, no service, no age, near ma, they may help from anybody. And you went well down way. Look at the way look at what you people are saying that a lot of opportunities coming towards him is misusing. Or you want to take something, or you want to take him, don't mind track or whatever it is. I don't know. I can't say much because I just want to end my speech. I don't know. The guy is insane. And the guy needs a lot of deliverance. He needs a strong deliverance. He's insane. That's just all I have to say. I will say.
Na kiosa we beteri yonu o we kwa kiosa na we biya we yonu hello e ma voto to wagun ya le gbe we no to re e ma be mi be no
Wetin gay agbomo wa ya su. We go just on the board.
Egbe agbo we to ya voto ya aladobo ya na no we le ka do o do fun wa. Come here,